ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। जय राधा माधव कुंज विहारी।
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 गोपी जन वल्लभ गिरिवरधारी।
जय गोपी जन वल्लभ गिरिवरधारी।
गोपी जन वल्लभ गिरिवरधारी।
जय गोपी जन वल्लभ गिरिवरधारी।
यशोदनंदन ब्रज जन रंजन।
यशोदनंदन ब्रज जन रंजन।
यशोदनंदन ब्रज जन रंजन।
यशोदनंदन ब्रज जन रंजन।
यमुना तीरावनचारी। यमुना तीरावनचारी। जय राधा माधव कुंज विहारी।
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 नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयमुदीरयेत्। नष्टप्रायेषु अभद्रेषु नित्यं भागवत सेवया भगवती उत्तमश्लोके भक्तिर्भवति नैष्टिकी। ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय।
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 Reading from Srimad Bhagavatam, Canto 1, Chapter 11, Text number 13, 14, 15. One point 11, point 13, 14, 15. What about? गोपुरद्वार मार्गेषु कृतकौतुकतोरणाम् चित्रध्वज पताकाग्रैर् अन्तः प्रति तात्पाम् गोपुरद्वारमार्गेषु कृतकौतुकतोरणाम् चित्रध्वजपताकाग्रैर् प्रतिहतातपाम् Gopura, the gateway of the city. Dwara, door. Margeshu, on different roads. Krita, undertaken. Kautuka, because of the festival. Toranam, decorated ark. Chitra, painted. Dhwaja, flag. Pataka agrahi, by the foremost sign. Antaha, within. Pratihata, checked. Atapam, sunshine. Translation and purport by His Divine Grace Sri Bhaktivedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada. The city gateway, the household doors and festooned arches along the road were all nicely decorated with festive signs like plantain trees and mango leaves, all to welcome the Lord. Flags, garlands and painted signs and slogans all combined to shade the sunshine. Please repeat. The city gateway, the householder doors and festooned arches along the road were all nicely decorated with festive signs like plantain trees and mango leaves, all to welcome the Lord. Flags, garlands and painted signs and slogans all combined to shade the sunshine. Purport. Signs of decoration in special festivals were also collected from the gifts of nature, such as the plantain trees, the mango leaves, trees, fruits and flowers. Mango trees, coconut palms and plantain trees are all still accepted as auspicious signs. The flags mentioned above were all painted with the picture of either Garuda or Hanuman, the two great servitors of the Lord. For devotees, such paintings and decorations are still adored, and the servitor of the Master is paid more respect for the satisfaction of the Lord. 14. Sammarjita Mahamarga Rathya Panaka Chatvaram Siktam Gandha Jalair Uptam Phalapushpakshatanukah Rahai Samadhita Mahamarga Rathya Panakachatvaram Siktam Gandha Jalairuptam Phalapushpakshatankurai. The highways, subways, lanes, markets and public meeting places were all thoroughly cleansed and then moistened with scented water. And to welcome the Lord, fruits, flowers and unbroken seeds were strewn everywhere. Purport. Scented waters prepared by distilling flowers like rose and keoda were requisitioned to wet the roads, streets and lanes of Dwarka Dham. Such places, along with the marketplace and public meeting places, were thoroughly cleansed. From the above description, it appears that the city of Dwarka Dham was considerably big, containing many highways, streets and public meeting places with parks, gardens and reservoirs of water, all very nicely decorated with flowers and fruits. To welcome the Lord, such flowers and fruits with unbroken seeds of grain were also strewn over the public places. Unbroken seeds of grain or fruits in the seedling stage were considered auspicious, and they are still so used by the Hindus in general on festival days. 15. द्वारि द्वारि ग्रहाणां च
द्वारिग्रहाणां च
दध्यक्षता फलेक्षुभिः
दक्षताफलेषुभिः
अलङ्कृतां पूर्णकुम्भैः
अलङ्कृतां पूर्णकुम्भैः
बलिभिः धूपदीपकाः द्वारि ग्रहाणां च दद्याक्षत फलेक्षुभिः अलङ्कृतां पूर्णकुम्भैः बलिभिर्धूपदीपकैः. In each and every door of the residential houses, auspicious things like curd, unbroken fruits, sugar cane, and full water pots with articles for worship, incense, and candles were all displayed. The process of reception according to Vedic rite is not at all dry. The reception was made not simply by decorating the roads and streets as above mentioned, but by worshipping the Lord with requisite ingredients like incense, lamps, flowers, sweets, fruits, and other palatable eatables according to one's capacity. All were offered to the Lord, and the remnants of the foodstuff were distributed among the gathering citizens. So it was not like a dry reception of these modern days. Each and every house was ready to receive the Lord in a similar way, and thus each and every house on the roads and streets distributed such remnants of food to the citizens. Therefore, the festival was successful. Without distribution of food, no function is complete, and that is the way of Vedic culture. Om Ajnanatimirandasya Jnananjana-Shalakaya Chakshurunmilitam Yena Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha Namah Vishnupadaya Krishna-Prishtaya Bhutale Srimate Jayapataka Swamin Iti Namine Namah Vishnupadaya Krishna-Prishtaya Bhutale Srimate Bhakti Vedanta Swamin Iti Namine Namaste Saraswati Deve Gauravani Pracharine Nirvishesha Shunyavadi Paschatya Desha Tarine Jai Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhara Srivasadi Gaura Bhakta Vrinda Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare. Gopuradvara Margeshu Kritakautukatoranam Chitradhvaja Patakagrair Antah Pratihatatapam. The city gateway, the household doors, and festooned arches along the roads were all nicely decorated with festive signs like plantain trees and mango leaves. And to welcome the Lord, flags, garlands, and painted signs and slogans of all combined to shade the sunshine. Sammarjita Mahamarga Pathyapanaka Chatvaram Siktam Gandhajalai Uptam Phalapushpaksha Tankurai. The highways, subways, lanes, markets, and public meeting places were all thoroughly cleansed and then moistened with scented water. And to welcome the Lord, fruits, flowers, and unbroken seeds were strewn everywhere. Dwari Dwari Grahanam Cha Dadyakshata Falekshubhihi Alankritam Purna Kumbhair Balibhir Dhupadipakai. In each and every door of the residential houses, auspicious things like curd, unbroken fruits, sugar cane, and full water pots with articles for worship, incense, and candles were all displayed. Suta Goswami now describing how the citizens of Dwarka received Krishna. It's continuing actually for the last few days. And today we see that whole description about how a king should be received, or anybody important, how he should be received, especially when he is God. So this system is being followed even today, Prabhupada says, and we see that, in Rath Yatras, especially in India. Here, of course, it's not possible. But in India, when the Rath Yatra goes, especially in a town where people live, then they decorate their houses in the front, put some powder, colored powder, rangoli it is called. Otherwise also decorate, sprinkle water. Of course, they don't use the scented water, but at least water. Some places they may put a little, depending on the capacity. And then, then when the chariot comes, then they worship him. They bring all their arati paraphernalia, fruits, and so the system is there. Being followed right from time immemorial. There's a nice way. So here we see, Prabhupada, very subtly says that Dwarka must be very big because it's a highways and lanes, there's parks and gardens. So it's not a small city. Obviously, there are 16,108 palaces. Plus, their servants' houses must be also there. Each queen of Krishna must be having n number of servants, their children, and then administration, and then the whole like here in Tallahassee, is the capital of Florida. So many things are there. Everything related to the state government. So same way, but again, what we don't see so much decorations, etc. All we see is just maybe broad road sometime, but sometimes it was not that, There is cars moving, that's all. Not even pedestrians, very few areas you will see that. So it's a totally different situation. Of course, in India, there's other way around, like it's all people and people and people anywhere you go. Tons of them. Don't have to say anything, like when we say a year of 200 people came for our Rath Yatra, Prabhu, Hari Bol. They are 200 come for, somebody has a cafe, they will come to see him, 200 people is like, thousands, it always runs in thousands. Like we say, in some temples, 40,000, 50,000 people come every day. So it's, of course, the thing is that it's question of devotion. It's question of how you want to do things, So here, now of course, if we do all this here, the government may, not in India, but here elsewhere, they may fine you something because how come you are throwing the flowers on the road and seeds? No way. So that shows the deterioration in terms of understanding what is right and what is wrong. Your value system has changed totally. But Bhagavatam reminds us, that, okay. Yeah, in these respects, India is still okay. Because people still follow some of the things, at least on these occasions. Not everybody, like, when the Rath Yatra is going on, the others are busy in their own chit-chatting, messaging, like, even when they see the Lord, they are not, they're so engrossed in their own thing. But generally people have a little, like I remember this Padayatra, India Padayatra, they're still going on. The cart goes and then they have the Charanamrita. This person sitting, devotee with the Charanamrita, and people will run to get that. From the field, they are working in the field and suddenly they see the Lord is going. They'll just drop everything and come. I remember I saw in Bangalore cities, like, and then when they are taking Charanamrita or Prasadam, they don't want to put on their shoes and, things like that. So this guy I saw, one comes on the bicycle and he suddenly sees,